ALS Organic Cosmetics, the place where we look after our hair and skin in the organic way. Just you doing great. We are checking out some wash and goes and other hairstyles that you can do to your 4C hair. So if you're ready, let's jump right in. Ooh, she's got some thick, how I call my 4C hair, curl cream. Use your own flaxseed gel. Yes, flaxseed gel. So she put the curl cream first. Wow, well defined. People. So you can see the way she's managed to define her 4C hair. First thing you want to put in is some water, or better still, rose water, or even better is aloe vera juice. So if you know you haven't already trained your hair to curl, then you want to start with something like aloe vera juice. It has the right pH and it will begin to go into the hair follicle and start with the process. After you put so always liquid first. So the liquid can be either distilled water, rose water, or aloe vera juice, depending on the way that you've looked after your hair. So if you know you've never tried to like retrain your hair, then I'll say start with aloe vera juice so that it will balance the pH of your hair and then it will begin to help with the curling process. Second, you now go in with a cream. So you go in with a cream of your choice, ideally something that again has the right pH, and then finally you go in with your gel. Okay, even with the gel, once you put the gel in, you either want to seal it with some kind of oil, but it all depends on you. You have to master your hair to be able to know what your hair requires. So my hair normally just rose water, homemade flaxseed gel, and then the last thing that I normally will put in is some olive oil, and those are the three. But when I was learning how to retrain my hair, it was a lot of trial by error. But yes, she's done it and her hair looks well defined. Yeah, she's got beautiful thick hair. So yeah, that's the cream. So you always wet the hair. Wow, it looks well defined. Girl, you did it. And everybody, your hair can be like this. It's only you have to retrain it if you've never trained your hair back to curls. Now she's stretching it. So in the morning when she wakes up, because sometimes when you wake up in the morning it would have shrunk, but if you don't want it shrunk, then you just this is called the like the banding method. So look, beautiful people, that was really beautiful. Our hair is out. Okay, always water, moisturize the hair. She's got long hair. Hey, the hair is dry. Oh, the hair is dry. Oh, yeah, the Eco Styler gel. I said the person who made this Eco Styler gel, hey, they are multi-billionaires. Yeah. As soon as you put the gel in, I say always make your own homemade gel. It's always best. Like what's in my hair, it's just homemade gel. Yeah. Yeah, that's like a protective style. Yeah, because all the ends are tucked in. The ends are the oldest part of your hair, and those are the parts that are prone to breakage. So, if especially if you want to retain length, you always want to protect your ends. Hey, she colored her hair. Hey, girl. Yeah, that's her cream. So you do the lock method, which is liquid. Some people go oil, then cream, or you can do liquid, cream, oil, depending on what your hair wants. So when it's long and then when it dries out the next day, yeah, it's shorter. That's what I'm saying. If you want it to look still long, you have to use the binding method. See, yeah, she's got long hair. Because your hair will shrink because it's curly, it will always shrink. So if you want length, then always you have to stretch it out, and not stretching out with heat but with like bands. Yeah, that's a beautiful hairstyle. Hey, she's shiny girl. It's beautiful. What happened, sis? I think I'm 4A. Okay. A was wash day. Well, I don't believe in the hair typing. I don't think anybody is for whatever. It's just because we dry out the hair and then it looks dry. And then we say we are for something, something, something. Oh, she's doing Bantu, yeah. Bantu nuts. You always want to do Bantu nuts on dry hair so it comes out good. And always remember to use your silk scarf or silk hairband so that your hair will, oh, beautiful. What? She said she doesn't like it. It didn't work out good. So I stretched it out. Okay, she stretched it out. That's what I'm saying. If you want to do Bantu nuts, you always want to stretch it out first before so it will come out good. Bantu nut. When my hair used to be much shorter, I always wanted to do Bantu nuts. Now that is growing, I'm not even interested anymore to do the Bantu nuts. Yeah, she's doing a nice hairstyle. Braid it. And she wants to hold the thread. Okay, that's a nice hairstyle. Ooh, that was nice. I was wondering what she was gonna do with it. Natural hairstyles. Hey girl, you got some thick hair. It's beautiful. Ooh, I like it. Simple and nice. Hey, how many products are you gonna put in this hair? I put only 3. Rose water or sometimes aloe vera juice. Oh, her hair is thick and beautiful. Wow. Girl, you got some hair on your head. Yeah, her hair is thick and rich and beautiful. She's unraveling it, so that's the next day. She's taking it out. It's gonna shine. It's gonna shine to it. It's beautiful. Oh, she's doing like half up, half down. Natural hair. Hey, people, rock your natural hair. Hey, rock your natural hair. It's the best hair on the planet. This eco styler job came to save the natural hair. Well told. Eco styler. That's it. Yeah, that's a protective styling. Oh, okay. And she's putting an extension on it. Fake it. It's gonna fake it until you make it. That is nice. Wow, that's a big. Whoa. Oh, she's joining it to the back one. Hey, sister girl. Wow. Oh, wow. You can take this to a wedding or something, innit? Hey, you just go fake it until you make it. Hmm. Yeah, as soon as you put moisture in your hair, your hair is singing hallelujah. People, natural hair loves moisture. So make sure you moisturize your hair. When the hair is permed, you don't want to put water in it. But once you turn natural, like me, once you turn natural, you always have to moisturize. The hair loves water. It's like a plant. When you grow your plant, you water it. Same way you can water your hair. Spritz it. Eco style. Her edges are full and beautiful. That's it. the edges. Wow, that's a nice style. Oh, she used the curl formers. Hey. Wow, people, that was nice. The curl formers. Okay, let's see what you're gonna do. Oh, she's patting it. Eco edges. Oh, she's doing some cornrow. I don't know how to do cornrow. I can do two strands. Is that cornrow? No, I still can't do it. Wow, that's it, girl. You're looking good. Okay, okay. People, that's all her hair. Hey, isn't she looking beautiful? Black girl hack: how to stretch out your curls without heat. Yes, you don't want to damage your hair. No. Eco. Hey, shake it, shake it, shake it. People, that was nice. I liked it. I mean, 4C, I mean, whatever you say your hair is, for whatever, moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. And also stop using harsh shampoos that don't have the right pH. That's what dries our hair. And then once our hair is dry, we keep saying that, oh, my hair is for something. No, your hair is not for anything. It's because you are drying it out. And the lock method, which is liquid, oil, then cream, or you can do the liquid, the cream, and the oil depending on your hair type. The best moisturizers to use: rose water, aloe vera juice, or just plain distilled water. Those are the best things. Those are the best liquids to put in your hair. So if you're looking at transforming or taking your natural hair to the next level, then stay tuned in for. Bye.